Hi all, welcome to my channel. Today we are moving into practical sessions. As a first video, we are going to look into how to download Java. Java is an important thing in Selenium. In order to download Selenium, you need to have certain things set up in your computer. The first thing is Java. So today in this video, I'm going to show how to download Java in Windows 64. In order to do that, first you have to check whether Java is available in your computer or not. In order to check that, you need to go to the command prompt. So type cmd and select command prompt and go there. So in order to check, to check Java, type Java, Java space hyphen version and click enter. So it says Java is not recognized as an internal or external command. Now we are going to see whether Java compiler is available in our system or not. So Java C space hyphen version. So again it shows Java compiler is not recognized as an internal or external command. That means Java is not installed in your computer. Now we are so sure that Java is not installed in our system. Now we are going to install it. For that, you need to go to Chrome. Go to Chrome and type Java Development Kit 8. Java 8 works well with Selenium. So you're going to go and click the first link, which is from Oracle. Click that one, and here you can find all the details. First, go down. So Java SC Development Kit. Go down, and so mine is Windows 64. So I'm going to choose that, and I'm going to click. So it says you must accept Oracle Technology Network License Agreement for Oracle Java SC to download the software. So I'm agreeing to the requirement and I'm downloading it. So it shows login. You can create the login. So I already logged in with my account. So now the Java has been downloaded. Now we need to run this Java executable file. In order to do that, just click here and press show in folder. So it will show the folder where you have downloaded the Java. So now here is our executable file. I click and run as administrator. Click next. If you want to read, you can read it. Now you have to wait until the status is full. So it's coming up. So it's asking for the destination folder. I'm okay with the C drive, so I'm going to click next. Now you can see it's installing Java. Sometimes it will take some time, so that's okay. So now you can see it's successfully installed, so you can close it. Now again we are going to check whether Java is installed in our computers. So we are going to check it again. I'm going to close this session since it's an old one. Again, I'm going to type Java version. So still it shows Java. So now it shows Java version 1.8 is available. So you can see Java C version. So it says Java C is not recognized as internal or external command. So why it is appearing? Because we haven't set our environment variable. So think about it. If we are inviting any guests to our house, what we have to do? We have to prepare the things that we are going to provide them, right? So same, if we are installing Java, we have to do particular settings in order to have Java. So those were called as environment variables. Now we have to set up those environment variables. In order to do that, go to File Explorer, right click on this PC. There you may find Properties. Click that Properties, and in the Properties you have to go to Advanced System Settings. Now setting is go down. There you can find Environment Variables and click that one. So here we need to add our variable. For that, press New. So it shows like variable name. So I'm going to give Java Home as variable name. Java Home. So it will ask for variable value. In order to get the variable value, take the path of Java. To do that, go to File Explorer, go to C and Program Files. There you may find Java JDK. Click that one. Copy it and paste it here and press OK. Now you have set variable. So once after assigning the Java Home variable name and value, what you have to do is go to the path. Double click the path. So I already worked Java 13 version, so that's why the environment variables are already set. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to delete and I'm going to show how you can edit. So now what you have to do is click New. So it will show this one. From here, go to your Java file. Take the bin. So go to File Explorer, go to C, Program Files, Java, JDK, and double click on bin file. Copy the link and paste it here. So one thing you have to know in this path is C, Program Files, Java JDK 1.8 is the one we have mentioned as Java Home, right? So instead of writing this line, we are going to give simply as Java Home. So before and after Java Home, we have to complete it with percentage marks. Now it's done. And click OK. Click OK again and click OK here too. Close this now. So I'm gonna end the older session. I'm gonna reopen command prompt again. I'm gonna type Java space hyphen version. Now it shows like it's the runtime environment and build and all the version details, which means Java is installed in our system. Now I'm going to check whether Java compiler is available on our system. For that, space version, the Java C, that means Java compiler space hyphen version, and enter. Now it shows Java C 1.8 is available. Now we are completed with our Java installation and Java environment variable setup. So Java is done, and next session I'm going to show how to download Java in Apple. After downloading Java, we will look on how to download Eclipse for Java. So that's it for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed my video. If you enjoyed my video, please give a thumbs up, like, share with your friends. And if you have any doubts, please let me know in the comments so I can reply to you as soon as possible. And please subscribe my channel and don't forget to click that bell button. Thank you and bye.